Shaniqua. Shaniqua. Holler at him real quick. My favorite place, Rural King. We at Rural King. We're gonna look for some boats today. All right, let's see where we at. Hang tight. All right, let's see if we got them. I need here. Yeah, boats. How long? Oh, right here. Right here. These are a little too long though. I need a little bit shorter. Can you see what I'm talking about? Let's see. That's a little too short. She never say that about me. Shoot, it looks like this is what we got, y'all. No, looks like this is what it is. Right there. All right, let me grab these and some washers and some nuts. All right, at the arcade, baby. All right, here we go. Rural King. We got them. Got what we need. All right. Here we go. I'm in stainless. Wait a second. Oh no, things been picked through like cotton. Oh, right. Nothing in stainless. Now I'm galvanized. All right. We got them. Let's go. All right, had our Rural King. All right, birds. Back to the table. Head back to the yard. Back to the shop, shall I say. Got those boats we bought a Rural King in. Those look a little better. I mean, when I clean up the bumper with some quadruple zero, they'll shine a little bit better opposed to, you know, the dull stuff. Now what I'm gonna do is, like I did this, just go over this with a coat or paint to make it look symmetrical when the hood opens. And that's about it. Stay tuned with that. Also, these header panels right here, sand them down real quick. Get a quick coat on those as well. Okay, stay tuned. We got this cleaned up, sand it down, paint it. Just a coat of flat white on it, make it look perpendicular to the inside of Shaniqua. So got all flat white on the Chevy, make it look nice and decent, and clean. So we on to that. Now we got this. Now we on to the header panels up here, make them look decent. So the truck looks presentable before it goes to the paint shop, then they can do the rest. All right. Okay. Next update. Bam. Hood is up. Hood is back on. Nah, she's starting to look like a truck in the front. When all those grills I go over there. But she's starting to look like a hood in the front. I gotta do some more adjustments. This body gap is off over here. Of course, because, you know, all that was just done. But for the most part, boom, she closed like a Chevy. A little high right here. I gotta adjust this hood piece down. This one seems to be just perfectly level. I gotta adjust this, but at least it fits, y'all. So that's all that matters. It fits. Oh, I got the bumper valance. I had to paint that so I can throw that in there too. So, but yeah, it fits. Quick little update. Pops like a regular Chevy hood. I wonder what it sounds like with the hood down, because all that hissing I hear. Oh shoot, I know why it wasn't starting, y'all. I'm gonna say, why the Chevy ain't starting up quick? Guess what I forgot? Yeah, I was choking it out. Oh man, I'm sorry, Flipper. Again, I was choking you out. You ain't have no air fuel ratio. Okay, yeah, that's my stupid fault. But yeah, there it is. Hood's on. Quick update for the day. That's it. Shaniqua, you coming on back. Next thing I'm gonna do is probably get the lowering these things here soon. Cutting that down and mapping out the rest of that stuff. So, all right, yo. We out. Chevy on Fords, Fords on Chevy, whatever you want to call it, but it's Ford on Ford. Yeah. Looking sexy, sounding sexy. Oh, that spur body looking good in the front. Looking good in the front. Brought the grill in. It's all clean. But you just look at it. Y'all know what I say. Just look at it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Chevy coming back. Chevy coming back. Yeah. Shaniqua. Holler at him real quick. Ford and Fords.